Welcome back to the channel. It's Nigel from Adventure Caravanners. What I'm going to be looking at today is a quick review and a quick unboxing of the 12V Cordless Tyre Inflator with accessories. So stay tuned.
You know how to work it. Work it.
Okay, let's see what you get inside the box. You get this lithium battery, 1.3. You get obviously a power lead for charging it up. You get this car power supply with a long cable and obviously a cigarette lighter adapter at the end. Instructions booklet, which is quite self-explanatory, and also you get the 12V Cordless Tyre Inflatable. Now, to attach the battery, you marry these up with this end here, and all it basically does, you just slide it on there, it clicks in place, and you're ready to go. Now, I purchased this last year because I thought at the end of the day, when we're going caravanning at the beginning of the season, and when we start our caravanning, I would like to check the car tyres and also the caravan tyres, which is quite important. And that's one of the reasons we got this. We looked around, looked at the various different ones and thought we settled for this one. And I really do like this because it's obviously got a digital gauge there. Press it in the middle there and it comes on. It's LED in blue. So it's got an auto shut off. It will not overinflate your tyre or inflatables. As I said, it's cordless, so you can take it anywhere. It can be powered by the battery or from the car via the cigarette lighter. It's got a high pressure inflation of 116 psi, which is really good. So it can obviously do your tyres, you know, footballs, rugby balls, and small inflatables. It's got a pistol grip, which I think is really good, and it feels really solid. You know, it molds to your hand, and it has a 50 centimeters of hose, you know, which is great for attaching it to your tyre or your caravan or your inflatables. Also with it, you get these two attachments here, which is an airbed nozzle. On the other side, you get what they call a ball needle for doing like footballs, rugby balls, or any other inflatables, which I think is really good. What I really am impressed with this, it comes with a 2 years guarantee. Now I purchased this from Argos last year, and it was for £40. And I think it's really good value that it comes with a 2 year guarantee. You can select obviously PSIs with tyres. You know, you've got PSI, you've got bar, and you've got the KPA and KG and CM. I'll leave it on PSI. As you can see, I've got it set on 32, which is my car tyre, and it's really good. And like I said, I always check my car tyres before I go caravanning, and also the caravan tyres, and I also do the same thing once we're leaving the caravan park or caravan site. So overall, I'm really impressed with that. But let me give you a quick demo on this 12V Cordless Tyre Inflatable. So stay tuned. And all you need to do, like I said, this is the demo on the caravan. You just need to attach this here, press the lever down. Like I say, you've got this very clear digital display gauge. Obviously, our tyre pressure on our caravan is 29 psi. And that's all you need to do. It's very, very straightforward. And again, I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on the car. Like I said, I do this before we go, take the caravan onto the road, and also I check my tyre pressures on my car weekly, which is very important if you've got a caravan or a car and you're towing. So let me show you a quick demo on my car. Okay, And this is the tyre pressure on my car, which mine's always set at 34. And there you have it, 34. So I'll do that with all the caravan tyres and the car tyres. Okay, that was just a quick review and unboxing of the 12V Cordless Tyre Inflator with accessories. Now, I feel it's a very, very good product. If you're caravanning, you can check your caravan tyres and also your car tyres prior to going caravanning, which is very important. What I do like about this product, it comes with a 2 years guarantee. So all I'd like to say is, if you like the video, please give it the thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And finally, thanks very much for watching. Until next time, bye bye for now.
You